Hi everybody, my name is Erin and I'll be teaching you about phonics today. We're starting with a very important letter, the very first letter of the English alphabet. This is A. We've gathered some amazing words for you today. They are axe, ant, apple, ankle, and actor. Did you notice something in common? Yes, they all make an A sound at the beginning. We also have some special guests, monkey and cloud. They do not start with A, but they help us learn about our special letter A. Can you spot the red letters? Here we have both the uppercase and lowercase versions of A. They may look different, but they make the same sound, A. This, my friends, is an axe. Axe starts with the letter A. Let's say it together, axe. Try to open your mouth slightly when you say "ah" like you're about to take a bite of your favorite food. Axe. Now, meet our tiny friend here, the ant. Notice how your mouth forms a round shape when you say "ah." It's like you're about to bite an apple. Ant. Speaking of apples, here is a delicious apple. Again, open your mouth slightly and let that "ah" sound come out. Apple. Here we have an actor. Try to say it slowly with me. Actor. See how the "ah" sound leads the word? This, friends, is an ankle. It connects a foot to a leg. Say it with me. Ankle. Great job, everybody! Now it's time for a game. Here we have an ankle, a cloud, an axe, an ant, an actor, and an apple. Which one do you think does not fit with the others? I'll give you a hint. It does not have an "ah" sound. That's right, it's the cloud. Let's do another one. Here we have an ankle, an actor, an axe, an ant, a monkey, and an apple. Which one do you think does not belong? That's right, it's the monkey. Great job. Now, can you find the picture of the ankle? Point to it when you see it. Great, this is the ankle. Let's do another one. Can you find the friendly ant? Great job, this is the ant. Now, point at the apple. Amazing, you found the apple. Now, can you find the axe? Great! Amazing work. Now, finally, can you find the actor? Excellent! This is the actor. Well done, everybody. You've learned so many "ah" words today. Let's go over them one more time. Axe, ant, apple, ankle, actor. Amazing! Continue your phonics journey at storybee.space. See you next time!